How to add overlay in CapCut. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, head over to your application CapCut. It will land you on this page. Tap on New Project. Select one of the videos that you prefer from your gallery. Let me select this video for now, and then tap on Add. Now let's say you want to add overlay to this video. Right here you'll get to see the option of overlay. Tap on it. Once again tap on Add Overlay. Select the picture or the video that you want to add overlay to this video. Let me just show you by adding the lyrics to this video. First of all, select the video of the lyrics that you want to add. So let's say I want to add this lyrics, but you can see that it has a black background. In order to remove the effect, all you have to do is tap on this blend. Here you'll get to see different blending effects. You can try adding different effects. But if you want to clear out the background, all you have to do is tap on this filter effect. And you need to set the scale to 100. There you can see that the background has been cleared out. In order to add, tap on this icon. Now you can just adjust and place this overlay anywhere on the screen. You can see that the lyrics overlay has been added successfully. Now you can just save this video and you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to add overlays on CapCut. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.